Welcome back into Twin Cities Live. So Dan Stoltz is the CEO behind Blaze Credit Union, and boy, they are racking up the accolades. So earlier this year, they were honored as Best In-State Credit Union by Forbes magazine. They're kind of a big deal, right? And Minnesota's Best Credit Union in the Star Tribune Reader's Choice Award program.
So today, Dan is joining us to share his word of the month for September. It's empowerment. We love when we get to talk about this stuff with Dan, but you know what? You showed up on a great day because there's big news from the Federal Reserve, and I only really understand about 25% of the implications of this, so I'm glad that you're here to contextualize.
And I understand less than that.
Yes, well, I love talking about it. It's a perfect day, but I got to say three things really quick, okay?
Yeah,
Three real
yeah.
quick. I loved hanging out with you guys at the fair. That was super fun.
Yeah.
You guys are awesome. Number two, I have to confess here, I do wear Crocs in my backyard.
Great,
But I don't, not in the front. I mean,
That's fine.
You have standards.
Yeah, okay. And Ben, I'm sorry, I like chips in dip. I really do. I mean, it's got to be.
In the car.
Yeah, I'm okay with that. Okay, I really am. No, I really am. I think I got a stain there.
Oh my gosh,
right.
I love it.
All right, that's fine. Maybe I'm the weirdo.
We'll get you on it. We'll get you on it. Well, you know what? Today is a big day in the financial markets, and I want to just really demystify it's all this stuff we talk about. So the Federal Reserve is in charge of two things. They're in charge of employment, and guess what? Check the box on that. Everybody can find a job today. That's okay. The next one is they want to curb inflation. So their target is 2%. So if something's $100, next year it should be $102. Next year it'll be $104. But what happened in the last 2 or 3 years is it went to $110, $120. You go to a restaurant and things would balloon, groceries would cost more, the gas at the pump. So the Federal Reserve kept raising rates, and we're at the highest rate in the last 23 years just now. But literally today, normally then they'll ratchet the rates down when they want to let it get back into it. And now today, instead of a 25 or 1/4%, they knocked interest rates down 0.5%.
So what are they, like what could you get? Because people think about this with home loans all the time. So
yeah,
what is it?
Yeah, so the biggest thing is your home loan. I mean, someone, just yesterday, they get 0.5% on $300,000-$400,000 home. You're going to save $100 a month, hundreds of dollars a month. Car loans, Visa cards, I would say like restaurants, all the things that we see when we go out, entertainment, travel. So what the Fed is trying to signal here is trying to tell the consumers you're okay spending. And guess what? We're going to make it cheaper for you. We're going to encourage you to not stop, because I think all of us right now in this environment are just a little cautious, and they're trying to take away that caution and telling all of us that still plan that trip to Orlando, still plan that trip to the Wisconsin Dells, wherever it is, but you're okay. But they're going to keep lowering rates, and here's what most economists think, is that the rest of 24 and 25, interest rates will drop another 1% to 2%.
Wow.
So if you're patient, you can save, you can get new mortgages. Right now it's 6%.
Yeah.
A year ago it was 7%, 8%. I think it could get back down to 5% next year.
Wow.
So we're going to get back to, people can buy homes and afford it and handle it more.
Listen, I'm at 3 and I'm just staying there. I'm just holding on like this. Let's do it.
Yeah, that's a great rate, by the way.
Great.
So the Fed is basically empowering us as consumers to maybe spend a little bit more, get out of holding on with this lowering of the rates. You want to talk about empowerment when it comes to 3 different things: the economy, the employment, and education. So when it comes to empowerment for the economy, is this sort of the thing? What are you talking about here? How does this fit in?
Yeah, so this whole big Federal Reserve is just trying to make life easy. It's like Goldilocks. I was reading this to my kids. It's either too hot or too cold, but you want it just right. And the federal and inflation got terrible. We were all getting like 3-4% increase in wages, but costs of things went up much more, so we couldn't afford as much. Well, now the Fed is starting to say, guess what? We understand, so we're going to make sure that rates stay lower now. So they're going to encourage us to spend.
But how much stress should you look at the whole economy and then look at yourself and weigh those things? Because you can't live your whole life based on the state of the economy too. That's another thing you got to find balance in.
You do, and I'm banking, so I always say you can always refinance, right? You have a 3%, but if Ben's sitting on an 8%, you know what? He can refinance that to a 6%, and let's just say it goes down to a 5 or 4%. Refinance it. It might cost you a little bit, but I agree with you. You still got to live your life, and you can't run from fear. But what I love about it is the Federal Reserve made a major play today, and they're just telling people things are going to cost less. Get out there and spend.
And employment looks good?
Employment looks great. Unemployment's really low, so that's already in a good spot right now.
Good.
Yeah. Okay. So when it comes to education, though, that's another one of the things you want to touch on. So how does it affect maybe schools from that level and also just the family level as your kids go to school?
Yeah, and when we were just thinking about that, it's literally all the things, think of back to school costs, or think of all if it's private school or whatever school it is, the cost just got cheaper here today, and it will get cheaper. Today's move, I always like to say, was for Main Street, not Wall Street. I mean, the average American is going to see all these benefits, and the hope and the education, I just wanted to let people know is that times are still good, and let's not fear that it's bad. And now the Federal Reserve is making a major statement and saying, get out there and we got it covered.
Yeah,
right now.
you'll always feel better if you talk to your parents who got their first mortgage at like 18%.
I know.
That's my
Yes,
dad.
I've heard
So
that.
last real quick question. So now that they lowered the rates by 0.5%,
Yeah.
if you're out there looking to maybe refinance, if this is the direction that the Fed is going, should you just kind of press pause and wait for the next cycle, maybe to lower it again, or is this still a good time to do it?
That's a great question. And kind of the rule of thumb in banking on mortgages especially, if you can save 1%, you can refinance. Okay, so that's kind of because it costs you something to do appraisals,
Right.
but if you can save 1%, but I will tell you, if you can wait a little bit longer, you might save 2%.
Yeah.
And that's where the Fed is saying. Right
And
now.
that's huge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks so much,
Yes,
Dan.
thank you.
Great to
Yeah.
see you. Enjoy
Good
your
to see
chips
you.
and dip in the car on the way out of here.
I will.
I mean, his shirt's already stained. I mean, you might as well just keep staining it, right? So get this, you guys. You can get $150 when you open a Blaze free checking account.
You can learn more at blazecu.com. A $100 minimum opening balance is required. We've got a link with details on our website.